Hello friends, this is Dhruvi here. If you are seeing my video for the first time, then please do subscribe to see my further videos as I upload my new videos every Monday and Friday, so you'll get something new to see every week. Okay guys, as from the title you must be knowing that this is for the people who are starting with college, and there are a lot of confusion in mind for the first day of college. So without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, congratulations for the people who are entering to college, and it's literally a new life for you guys. So all the best also for that. Okay, first thing to keep in mind is that जैसे movies में दिखाते हैं वैसे colleges नहीं होता है, especially in India, in Mumbai. So today I'll be telling you guys the tips or things you should know for the first day of college, keeping in mind that it's for Indian and it's for especially in Mumbai, because I have been in Mumbai and I have gone to Mumbai colleges only, so I'll speak according to that. And yeah, okay, so let's come to the clothes. So the confusion is, first day, what type of clothes should I wear? A top, a shirt, a t-shirt, or one piece? So I suggest go for a jeans and a top, because if you go for a t-shirt it's really casual. If you go for a shirt it becomes little formal, and if you go for a top then it's nice, like not over stylish and not low stylish, not that casual, so it's in middle of everything. Now next thing in that is, top should be sleeveless, full sleeves or half sleeves. So I would suggest don't go for sleeveless. Like you can go for further days, but for first day don't go for sleeveless. Like just go there, observe the crowd, observe what other people are wearing, what your seniors are wearing, and then decide what you want to wear. But for first day you don't go for sleeveless, don't go for full sleeves as well. Go for half sleeves, 3/4 sleeves or cap sleeves. Yeah, that was all for clothes. Now next thing, let's come to bottoms. Should I wear shorts, 3/4 or full jeans? I suggest go for jeans for first day, yeah, because you'll be comfortable and you'll know what others are wearing, observe things. That's what I'm going to tell you guys. Okay, now in jeans, tone jeans, normal jeans. Go for normal jeans, or tone jeans like slightly tone, not fully tone. Go for medium low tone type of jeans, or go for normal jeans. Yeah. So this will give a nice, simple and yet little stylish look. And now let's come to the shoes. What should you wear? Shoes, sneakers, sandals, slippers, what? Don't go for slippers because they are very casual and I feel that they are looking very cheap types. Like, don't go. Shoes, yes, you can go, but when your college is starting, the rainy season is also starting as well. So if it's not raining, you can go for shoes, proper shoes and socks. But if it's raining, go for sandal. Like, sandal is all time. Yeah, and what type of sandals? Heels, normal heels or flats? If you are heighted, you can go for flats, but if you are short heighted or normal heighted, go for heels, not too long heels. Never go for too long heels on first day. Go for normal medium heels in which you are very comfortable, and not too long heels. Yeah. Now next let's come to hair. So open hair, half pony, full pony, or a hairstyle. I would suggest, if you have short hair, go for open, like this much or till here. Yeah, you can go for open hair. But if you have long hair just like me, go for half pony. It's literally not that open, not that tied, so it will give a perfect look for you. Okay, now let's come to the next thing, that is makeup. What type of makeup you should go for? High makeup, low makeup, little makeup? Okay, so as I suggest, go for medium makeup. Apply sunscreen, then apply compact, and then kajal or liner, whichever suits you, and a lipstick. Now the question is, what type of lipstick? Dark, light? Is it okay I apply lip gloss? So what I suggest, go for medium lipstick, or go for nude lipstick. If you want to go for pink wala or red wala, you can go, but don't go too dark. Like, you're not going for a nightclub, you're going for college. So keep it natural as possible, but do apply lipstick. Don't go without lipstick. Yeah, now next thing, let's come to what should you carry. So backpack, purse, or sling bag or side bag. I would suggest go for a backpack or else a purse. No sling bag, purse. Proper wala purse. Okay, so if you're going for purse, you can go for medium size ka purse, not too big, not too small. Medium wala. And if you're going for backpack, go for small backpack, not that too tiny ones, but for normal small backpack. Yeah, and don't go for big which you used to use for schools. Go for normal one. It looks stylish on your outfit. Okay, now let's come to the accessories. What type of accessories should you wear? Like long earrings, short earrings? Go for medium top earrings, or if you are tying your hair, if you have long hair and if you don't want to put half pony, if you want to put full pony, then go for hoops, or else just go for tops like I'm wearing now. And what for neck? Don't wear anything for neck. Like keep it as simple as possible. And for hand, you can go for a watch or a bracelet. So yeah, that was all for accessories. Now next thing is tiffin, dabba, maa ka dabba, right? Okay, so for tiffin, if you have a full day college long time and your parents are forcing, like your mom is telling like tiffin leke jao, then it's like first day taking tiffin is literally little weird. I can understand. So what you can do is go for either go without tiffin, just eat from outside first day, only first day, and then observe like what other people are doing, and then next day carry whatever you feel like. Okay, and the second thing you can go is for snacks, normal chips, biscuits or anything like that. Or usse zyada if your mom is forcing or something is like that, then go for Maggie, upma, pawa or something like that. Yeah, so only if you have full day college, but if you have short time ka college, you can come home and eat, that's not an issue. Okay, once you start making friends, you will start being comfortable, but it is a new life and a new thing. So you guys must be confused, right? Ki, like what should I wear and all those stuffs. So that was all a short video for knowledge purpose, and if it helped you, then please give a big thumbs up and share with your friends. It may help others also. That was all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you have any other questions, do let me know in the comment section, or you can DM me on Instagram. I'll definitely reply. Yeah, bye bye. See you in next video.